guys, and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kristen, and today I'm be doing a patio makeover. We've had a patio for a long time and nothing ever goes on it, so we just have like a table and chairs, and then we have a ton of kid toys because I have 2 girls. So none of us really put any effort into the patio whatsoever, just because I don't know why. We just don't. And I thought that I would do something this time around. So yeah, let me show you guys what it looks like before, during, and after. Okay, so here is the before of the patio. So we recently redid the landscaping over there, so you're gonna see afterwards that we ended up adding rock and edging, but this is what it looks like all the time. We don't add nothing. There's seriously nothing back here besides the chairs and table, and we normally just take all the cushions inside because if it rains, we just don't want them ruined. So yeah, this is what it looks like all the time. It's boring, it's plain, and you're gonna say, no way, yeah, that's just what it looks like. So the first thing we did was we cleaned it. So I had my girls help me scrub the side of the house down. We didn't do obviously the whole entire house, but I just wanted this area to be clean and spiderweb free and bug free, and I don't know, we get so many spider webs around here that even after I did this, I turn around and there is another one. But all I used was just hot soapy water, and I didn't realize that Presley's like cleaning the ground. Oh my goodness, just go ahead and put that on right on the house. Yeah, and I have bug spray in my back pocket because we've been getting mosquitoes, and I actually recently bought some stuff that will help, so I hope it works. This table actually came from a garage sale recently. It is so cute. I paid $5 for it. I got it probably 2 weeks ago maybe. I was really shocked that there was garage sales around. Couldn't believe it. Super happy. And it opens up. I know it's missing like a bottom piece, but I didn't even care because I thought this was so cute. So the first thing I did was just sand it. And I just did this like a light sand. I probably should have did it a little bit more and possibly primed it because the wood color did start coming out of the sides, but no biggie. Right here, I am just taking some black Walmart spray paint and spray painting the bottom. It was kind of dinged up just a little bit. I just kind of washed this down, used some spray paint, and this was really easy. This only took me a day to do. So now I'm tearing apart this, and this is like how I sanded it, not a huge amount. And I did end up doing 2 coats of the Waverly chalk paint in white. But I ended up not adding back like the little chain because it was on one side and I wasn't really sure what it was for anyways. I don't know if somebody made this. I don't even know, but I loved it, and for $5, how can you not say, yeah, I have to buy it? And especially when you haven't been to a garage sale in a long time, it was super hard to just not pass up. Presley helped me here just a little bit. That just, if you have really bad painting OCD, like you don't want to look, but I didn't let her help me do the second coat because, well, she's 3 and she, you know, she did a good job, but just, you know, not a good job like how I would want to do it. I don't know. Let's just not even talk about that. Yeah, Waverly chalk paint in white. I did 2 coats, and then after that, I just went in with my Silhouette Studio, and I bought this off the Silhouette Studio website, I think is what it's called. Anyways, it was like 80 or 90 cents. So this actually cost me like $6 to actually make, or under $6, on $5. That's such a great deal for a cute little table. This was just out of the ordinary, and I loved it. This says collectibles and antiques, a flea market. I thought this was just so cute for our back patio. Back patio is the patio on the front. I don't know. It's a front porch on the front, patio on the back. We can call it whatever we want. I always miss the step to show you that I actually seal it with this polyacrylic. This is an ultra clear. I like the matte just because I like it to be plain, and I don't like the glossiness at all. But yeah, this is what the table looks like when it is all done. And I do want to thank Abba Patio for sending me this super cute double chase lounge hammock bed. It has wheels, it has a sunshade, and this is seriously what got me motivated to want to redo our patio because, like I said, I have to be motivated to do something. So I guess if a company is going to send me something for free, then it will get me motivated to make our whole patio look super cute. So I pretty much was able to put this whole thing together by myself. Besides, I did get a couple things stuck. but it really wasn't that hard. The directions are pretty easy to read, and obviously like everything. Oh, those, like, did you see the flies just running by? We have like dragonflies like crazy around our backyard. But anyways, like I said, it's a polyester canopy. It blocks the UV rays, gives you shade, and I love the hammock type thing. Scarlett and the girls, both my girls, Scarlett and Presley, were really excited to receive this. It comes with like 2 pillows that attach right to the bottom, so you see like that is like the first thing I put together. It is weather resistant, it is a tumbler steel stand, and it has a powder coating for a long lasting usage, and it holds up to 500 pounds. It's 2 people, but if you have 2 little kids and yourself, you can fit on here super comfortably, because that is what we do. But if you guys want to check this out, I will leave the link in the description box below so you are able to check this out. The next thing I want to do was just plant some flowers and some lavender. I got a few insect repellent or mosquito repellent plants. I grabbed lemongrass and one other kind. Anyways, all these pots came from Tractor Supply. I love Tractor Supply, and I went in on a super good day when everything was 25% off, and the first chicken, this one right here that I'm putting the lavender in, it was actually a Christmas present, so I've had this waiting around for me to put something inside of it, and it has a draining hole and everything in the bottom like all these other ones do as well, so no worries there. And this one is a newer one from Tractor Supply, and you're going to see that my flowers were kind of dying. That's because they were out in the sun for too long, so these actually did come back, so no worries there either. I know I'm going to hear it from somebody, but they're okay. Every little plant and every flower, they're all still alive. Then now here is the fun part where I get to decorate everything on the patio that I redid. And I'm going to also be showing you guys like a cute little centerpiece I did as well with thrifted items and things I had laying around the house. And then right here I'm just putting the lemongrass in here, and then a candle for the mosquitoes. And then this is just like an antique bucket that I actually got from a garage sale for 10 cents, and I don't really know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I just thought it was cute. These pillows I picked up at Tractor Supply. They were 25% off, but they were already on clearance, so I think they were only $8.99 or $8, which I thought that was super cheap for outdoor pillows, because I've been looking at outdoor pillows, and there is no way I would pay $40 for an outdoor pillow. That's just nonsense. That's just crazy. And the cute little chicken pillow is also from Tractor Supply, but I think that one was $10 or $11. I can't remember, but these were super cute, and I didn't go all out, and I spent less on 3 pillows than I did on one that I was looking at Target. I couldn't imagine paying 40 bucks. This pot also came from Tractor Supply as well, along with this one. So those are like my new purchases. I don't normally purchase a whole lot of new items when I do decorating. I just try to find stuff from thrift stores or around my house, but I went to Goodwill recently and they didn't have anything good, and it was so disappointing. The 2-tier stand, I don't know if I like this or if this is going to stay this way, but that one came from Hobby Lobby last year or the year before, and the other galvanized pot came from Tractor Supply a couple years ago. I need to fix the rope on the edges because it looks kind of crusty and dingy and dirty and gross. I get it, I know. No, I didn't add enough potting soil, and that's okay. How much soil do these little plants actually need? They have about a foot of soil. I don't know, maybe they need more. But I love this way this turned out. This is so stinking cute. I love this pot. I was obsessed with it. I seen one online and they didn't have it, so I settled for this one. It was smaller, but it's probably cheaper, so I guess, you know, win-win. Now I'm just going onto the table and I'm just cleaning this off, and then this basket was from Goodwill. I think it was $2.09 or $3.09. And then I'm just adding things that we already had laying around the house. And most of this I think came, no, I don't remember. I think the goat solar light came from Meyer, and the glass jar came from, it's not even a jar, what is it called? I don't know. Why can't I think of things when I'm doing, I don't know. That came from Amazon. The little fake plant came from, I want to say Hobby Lobby on clearance. It kind of always falls apart. And then I also have a diffuser. We like to diffuse lemongrass and eucalyptus in there because it does help keep the mosquitoes away. So it's kind of just nice having that around. And then I just added the cushions back. I do not like our table at all. Our patio table, I think, is just starting to rust. The cushions aren't the cutest. They're like not the greatest and best. But we got this at a yard sale for $200, I think, which is super cheap. And I looked for ones that were similar to this, and they're like $2,000. Like, I don't understand why people spend all that money on a patio. We live in Michigan. Maybe if we were in Florida, we would spend the money because it'd probably be out all year long. But this is only out for about 3 or 4 months out of the whole year, maybe 5. And I just didn't see the purpose of like ever, I don't know. That just seems like a lot of money for an outdoor patio, especially when I spent well under that on our dining room table we use every single day. And then I also added the pot of lavender on the top. I'm kind of like going back and forth with it just because I wasn't sure where I wanted it. I kind of move it around. I want to keep it out of the sun, and it's all of that. But you guys, this is what it looks like when it's all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it gives you some inspiration. You don't have to do a ton of stuff. You don't have to spend a ton of money to redo your patio. But if you guys like this video, please make sure you give a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.